In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drag the chart in TradingView. This is a simple skill, but it makes a big difference when you're analyzing price action, reviewing past data, or lining up your view for a screenshot or a trade plan. Start by opening TradingView and loading any chart you want to work with. Give the page a moment to load fully so the candles, the time axis at the bottom, and the price scale on the right are all visible. Once the chart is up, you're ready to move it around. To drag the chart, place your cursor on an empty area of the chart, ideally not directly on a drawing, indicator label, or the price scale. Click and hold the left mouse button, then move your mouse. Dragging left or right pans the view through time, letting you look at earlier or more recent candles. Dragging up or down adjusts the vertical position of what you're seeing, helping you center a specific price area. Release the mouse to set the new view. That's it, your chart has been repositioned. If the chart doesn't move when you drag, you're likely grabbing a drawing or you're still using a tool. Press Escape to exit the active tool, then try again on an empty area of the chart. You can also avoid accidental selections by starting your drag slightly away from indicators or annotations. Using a trackpad, click and drag just like with a mouse. Scrolling on the trackpad will zoom in or out. So if you accidentally zoom, just scroll the opposite direction to restore your view. On a touchscreen or mobile device, place one finger on the chart and slide it to pan. Pinch to zoom if you need to get closer or pull back. A quick note on the price scale. If you click and drag directly on the price scale on the right, you'll rescale the vertical axis rather than pan the chart. That can be useful, but if you only want to move through time, drag from the main chart area instead. And if your view jumps back to the latest candle, you may be snapping to the most recent bar. Simply drag away again from the right edge to explore past data. Once you're comfortable with the motion, click, hold, and drag, you'll find it becomes second nature. Practice a few smooth drags to place the chart exactly where you want it. And that's all you need to know to drag and reposition your chart in TradingView.